Oh, we gotta lock it in first. So right now, let's go ahead and turn it off.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lloyd's Kitchen. I'm Chef Lloyd, a pro chef from the DMV. Today we're gonna be making jerk wings. Shut up. Shut your dogs up, bro. What do we do?
Huh?
Is that bad?
What?
The noise?
Not ready?
Throw the chicken wing on his ass. Okay, so if you guys do like the jerk wings today, make sure you come to one of our Jerk At Nite locations here in the DMV. So first step, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse our wings. So I'm gonna put that in some water. If you wanna do that over a sink, that'll be even better. I'm gonna add some lemon in there. Just kinda like help it clean the chicken. Vinegar works fine as well, if you have vinegar. Kind of rub the chicken with that a little bit. I definitely recommend rinsing your chicken though. You know, why not? So our first video actually on the channel was jerk chicken, and after opening our Jerk At Nite restaurant, there's a lot of few things that I learned, I picked up in the process, and so today is kind of like an upgrade version of my jerk chicken recipe. If you guys haven't watched my first video yet, scroll down, check it out. So we have our jerk wings clean. So the first step here is basically season that heavily with our jerk seasoning. Now you're gonna have to come to Jerk At Nite if you really want to try out my jerk seasoning mix. Okay, so for the blending now, I'm gonna add some garlic in the blender. We're basically gonna blend a bunch of aromatics. Start with some garlic. In our restaurant, Jerk At Nite, one of our signature dishes obviously is jerk chicken. We're very known for our jerk chicken, but we also have oxtails, we have curry goat, we have curry chicken, we have salmon and rasta pasta that we're very known for also. And obviously we have like a variety of sides like plantains, rice and peas, mac and cheese. We definitely have the best mac and cheese in the DMVs. And I'm not just saying that. I genuinely do think we have the best mac and cheese in the DMV. Like no cap, bro. D, you know D, my partner, he's a chef too.
Yeah.
And like mac and cheese is something that like he like really took his time to like make sure that like he nails it. He nails it.
Cut.
Yeah, when the restaurant open, bro?
Cut.
Just a little bit of ginger, not much. You know, ginger is very strong. A little bit of ginger in there. So I'm gonna do some red onion because that's what I have, but I recommend adding scallions instead. If you have scallions, scallions will be better. If not, a little bit of onion will do also. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme, of course. So normally I recommend adding a habanero pepper in here, but I got some pre-made jerk marinade, and this is like the hot one. This is already spicy, so I'm not gonna add any habanero pepper. This is just kind of like intensifying my jerk marinade. So I'm using a pre-made jerk marinade from a grocery store and adding that with my own jerk ingredients, right? So we're adding a good amount of our jerk marinade in there. Okay, I want to add some browning, of course. Can't have jerk without browning. Browning, it kind of like, it's just kind of like sugar, soy, and some other like liquid, like vinegars. It kind of like gives not only a darkest color, like it really browns the meat, but it also gives you like another layer of depth of flavor also. A little bit of soy sauce. Now this is so spicy that I'm gonna balance it with some honey. Brown sugar will do as well. I don't have any brown sugar, so I'm subbing with honey. I also like honey better. If you have sugar, sugar will do. And I'm gonna do another layer of black pepper, a little bit of salt. and a little bit more of our jerk seasoning. And lime, of course, some lime. Jamaican food is known for being spicy. Now, jerk is known for being spicy. If you can't handle the heat, I don't know, man. I don't know if you built for this. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in here. And we're gonna go ahead and blend our marinade. Look at the color. That's jerk right there. That's jerk. Now, if you can actually even let this sit in the marinade for like overnight, even better. I recommend doing that. And now we just mix everything. So we have a basic jerk marinade from the grocery store. We add a brownie in there. I would recommend adding habanero pepper as well, scallions as well, ginger, garlic, thyme, and soy sauce, some oil, and a little bit of your jerk seasoning, and you have an amazing jerk marinade. So now we go ahead and grill our wings. Oh man, the whole neighborhood is about to smell like jerk.
What do you like to eat jerk chicken with? If you were to eat it with rice or by itself? Or?
Oh, I like it with mac and cheese, rice and peas, and plantains, baby. Yeah. So here I'm just gonna kiss the wings with just a little bit more of the jerk. If you have a brush, I recommend using a brush for these. I'm gonna go ahead and dress that up one more time. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil too. Man, that looks crazy. You definitely need a grill to make this. Like, I mean, I wouldn't just make this in the oven. I definitely recommend the grill. Go ahead and just kiss it just a little bit more on the grill. All right, I think we're good to go. I think we are good to go. It's got a lot of char to it. I like that. All right, here we have it, our jerk chicken. Let's give it a try. Sheesh. It's hot. It's spicy, yo. Nah, this jerk really comes through. That's good. That's good. So, make sure you swing by one of our Jerk At Nite locations here in DMV and give our jerk chicken a try. Let me know how your jerk chicken turned out. Like, comment, subscribe.